Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to collect faces in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a cylinder, so we can go to Add, Merge, and Cylinder. To add the cylinder, close up to view it, and we can go to the bottom left panel. We can set the cylinder. For example, I want to make it simple. I use 16 for the vertices, and we can change the fill type. I use nothing. So we can select the cylinder and go to edit mode. Next, I will use the Shift D to duplicate the faces. I move it upwards to set direction. So I press that and click to apply it. I rotate and I press Alt X and 90. So we can rotate along x-axis in 90 degrees and press left mouse button click to apply it. And I use G and Y to move Y direction and move it here to play it. And then we can select edges. I switch to edge selection and I use Alt click to select edge loop and Alt shift to make a multiple selection of the edge loops. And then we can go to top option bar and go to edges. We can find bridge edge loop and click it. And then go to the panel, we can set it. For example, we can use number of cuts, increase it. And go to the side view, we can adjust the radius here. We can adjust the smoothness, so we can make it smooth. And also you can set another setting to customize the faces collected. So this is how we can collect faces in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.